I remember while I was in secondary school, bullying seemed to be some sort of a chore at my school. It's not difficult to notice a kid getting punched, several girls pointing and laughing, making joke about another girl, or simply just toxic comments online. It happened on a daily basis. It left a lot of my friends wounded, both mentally and physically. But the principal of my school, surprisingly, did not do much to confront the problem. So a few years ago, I came across a YouTube video online. It was about a girl who got bullied so hard. She posted a filming of herself, asking for help and support from other people. But the high school where she went to, surprisingly, did not do anything either. The girl ended up killing herself at the age of 15 out of depression and anxiety. So my story and this girl are just two among the vast stories about people getting bullied at school every day. Actually, according to one UNESCO survey released in January 2019, one-third of children worldwide experience some form of bullying at school every day. But how many of them actually got the help they needed? So in my opinion, I believe that school plays an essential role in confronting this issue, and they should be the ones who are responsible to resolve it. The first step to solve this is acknowledgement of severity, either it be physical attack, verbal abuse, cyberbullying. The children who experience these early traumas in study places suffer from long-lasting effects and even fatality. Some visible ones could be physical damages, isolation, fear of attending school, anxiety resulting in poor academic performance. The result could be traumatized to the point of depression and suicide. However, many schools cease to understand the severity of this issue, to which sometimes they will reply that it will be a way for the children to toughen themselves as they face the challenges. Many of these situations result in tragic endings. So as adults, we cannot turn a deaf ear to the problem and should come up with practical solutions to resolve it, ensuring a safe and secure environment for our children. The second step after acknowledgement is understanding of causes. If the children tend to display violence or using insulting words, the school authority must concern what makes them to do so. Their action could be mere imitation of past experiences, whether it was on televisions or whether they witnessed a fight of their parents at home. Physical attacks and verbal abuse to friends might just be a resemblance to what they have seen. So, is it the parent, the one who are influencing their children with bad behavior? By understanding the causes, we can help to actually minimize the risk of children being bullied in school. So for school, what they can do to offer support to their children. On both sides, family and school must put extra effort into preventing the school bullying happening and foster a safe environment for the children. But what the school can do is to provide a safe and secure study place for the children by actually addressing the issue. Studies show that at school where bullying is being addressed seriously, the number of cases was reduced tremendously as children understand where to seek for help. On average, bullying decreased by 20 to 23% and victimization decreased by 17 to 20%. So mental health programs addressing the bullying problem more directly and straightforwardly, stretching it to be intolerable act, could help to reduce it. So bullying creates disturbing outcomes to a student's life and they can either be fatal or long-lasting effects. But being aware of the problem as well as understanding the root cause can be the start to eradicating it, after which it is the school responsibility to support the children in creating a safe and healthy environment.